Here's a 3,000-character script about the transmission of the Pakistan vs India cricket match 2025 you can use for YouTube, blogs, or descriptions. The most awaited cricket rivalry in the world has once again taken center stage, as Pakistan vs India cricket match 2025 is being played under the spotlight of the Asia Cup final. Millions of passionate cricket lovers from across the globe are glued to their screens, waiting to witness every ball, every shot, and every moment of this high-voltage clash. The transmission rights for this grand encounter have been secured by multiple broadcasters to ensure fans in both Pakistan, India, and around the world can enjoy uninterrupted coverage of this historic event. In Pakistan, the official transmission of the Pakistan vs India 2025 match is available on PTV Sports HD, 10 Sports, and other partner broadcasters. These channels are bringing live coverage with expert analysis, Urdu commentary, pitch reports, and in-depth pre-match and post-match discussions that keep the audience engaged from start to finish. The online streaming rights are available through Tamasha app, TapMad, and official digital partners, enabling fans to enjoy the match on mobile phones and smart TVs without any interruption. Cricket lovers in cities like Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, Multan, Peshawar, and even small towns are experiencing the thrill of this mega-clash in true high definition. On the other side, in India, the transmission of the India vs Pakistan 2025 match is officially available on the Sony Sports Network, including Sony 10.1, Sony 10.5, and their HD channels. The live streaming is being provided through the Sony LIV app, giving millions of Indian fans the opportunity to enjoy the contest on digital platforms. The coverage in India features top cricketing legends as panelists, Hindi and English commentary, advanced graphics, and detailed match insights. Across New Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, and beyond, the excitement of fans is at its peak as they celebrate one of cricket's most iconic rivalries. Globally, transmission is being offered by different sports networks so fans from the UK, USA, Middle East, and Australia can also watch the encounter. In the UAE, where the match is being hosted at the Dubai International Cricket Stadium, local broadcasters and online platforms are making sure expatriates from both countries don't miss a single moment. Social media platforms are buzzing with live updates, scorecards, and reactions, making this match one of the most followed events of 2025. The India vs Pakistan transmission is not just a sports broadcast, it is an experience. From the electrifying pre-match shows, the national anthems of both countries, the roar of the crowd, to the nail-biting overs at the death, the transmission brings all the emotions directly to the screens of millions. Fans are not only watching cricket, they are living every moment with unmatched energy and spirit.